Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Dodge Stratus 2.4 engine. This one is a 2006, but it's the same for all generations. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the ignition coil on it. So what we need to do, of course, first we need to open the hood, and now right there, that's the ignition coil on the vehicle. And most of the vehicles, the newer vehicles, they come with ignition coil for every cylinder, but this one is one for all of them, as you can see. So what we need to do first, we need to pull the spark plug cables off, and you can either pull them from here, but just as you can see, there is numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the cylinders, and the way they are, it's 1 cylinder, 2, 3 and 4. And now what we need to do, we need to remove them from here as well, so they're not in the way. Okay, like that. And on the other side as well, same procedure. Okay, the next step that we need to do, right there on the back, we have two bolts with a 10mm wrench that you access. One right there. It's not very convenient place to be, but it's only two bolts. One there and one on this side. And after that, we'll need to remove these two bolts. They're easy to access. You can even use a socket and a ratchet to remove them quick. Okay, as you can see, we removed the 4 bolts, and now we need to remove the wiring. All you have is that red thing there that you need to push. This is a safety to prevent you from clicking on the clip. Right there, you need to push down now and pull. And this is the ignition coil itself. So that's how you remove it, and you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us, and please don't forget to hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.